As one of the leading companies in the domestic power generation equipment manufacturing industry, AGG provides emergency power solutions for users in all walks of life around the world. Up to now, more than 250 distributor networks have been established to serve more than 80 countries, providing users with cost-effective products and making sure services are within reach. Known for its technological innovation in the field of emergency power supply, AGG uses digital and intelligent industrial operation management systems, while the production process is visualized and controlled. A management system centered on customer experience has also been established, as AGG is committed to providing reliable quality and service to its users around the world.
As one of AGG suppliers, Perkins Engine has been widely used in generator sets used in harsh environments due to the high cost performance, reliability and durability of the engines. Perkins-powered AGG generator sets has been put to the test in environments such as snow and desert, among others. But their stability is always the same, and the reliable performance is well received by AGG users worldwide. With its compact structure, high reliability and nice appearance, Perkins Engine has become the first choice for AGG to provide users with power solution. As the Perkins authorized distributor in the south, northwest, and southwest of China, Sindabi Elco Power Equipment Limited provides users with a comprehensive pre-sale service and professional, reliable after-sales technical support. With a completed range of engine parts, it supports the stable operation of Perkins-powered AGG series generator sets. Perkins' global dealer network is also one of the most important reasons for AGG to select Perkins Engine to power its high-quality generator set and service for users around the world. Going forward, AGG will continue to work with Perkins and other suppliers to power the success of our global customers with reliable products.